Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer. In today's Excel productivity tip, I'm going to show you how to generate a list of unique items. So here's our scenario. We have our products listed in column B, but we have 8,149 sales. And all we want to do is we want to just come up with a list of unique products. We do not want to use the delete duplicates option because we do want to keep our data. So we just want a list of unique products and we want to be able to put it over here in column D. To do that, what you need to use is the advanced filter. You get to that by clicking the data tab in your ribbon. In the sort and filter group, click advanced and the advanced filter box pops up. In this box, you're going to tell it you want to copy your results to another location. You're going to give it a list range, which is column B. So you're going to click first cell, Control Shift down arrow. And what that does is it extends the selection all the way down until you run out of data. And then here you want to put a check mark next to unique records only. And here next to copy to, I'm just going to type D1 because that's the cell I want to start the list in. And then go ahead and click OK. And here we are with our list of 9 unique products. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please put a comment down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.